If you are obsessed with mangoes, you are in for a real treat today. We are making two irresistible mango desserts that are perfect for warm days: mango and coconut popsicles and mango panna cotta. Let's get started. So first up is the mango and coconut popsicles, creamy, fruity and refreshing. So for this, take a blender and add mango chunks and pineapple juice. Now blend it well and keep it aside. In the next step, take a bowl and add coconut milk, yogurt and sugar and mix them well. Next, get the popsicle molds and start filling in. First, put 1 tablespoon of the mango mix and put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Now take it out from the freezer and pour 1 tablespoon of the coconut mix. Put it back again into the freezer for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, get it back out and pour the mango mix. Pop it again for 10 minutes in the freezer. So in the final stage, get it out of the freezer and pour 1 tablespoon of the coconut mix and put it again for 4 hours. Now after 4 hours, unmold the popsicles and enjoy chilled. Now let's take it up a notch with a show-stopping mango panna cotta, creamy and bursting with mango flavor. Firstly, take gelatin powder in a bowl, add water and let it soak for 15 minutes. Next, take milk, cream, vanilla, sugar, lemon zest in a small saucepan. Mix them well and place it on the stove. Now warm up the milk mixture and then remove it from the heat. Next, add the gelatin and mix well. Strain the mixture and get it to room temperature. Now pour into ramekins or small bowls and refrigerate for 2 hours. To serve, demold in a bowl, add the mango puree and garnish with mint leaves and chia seeds. Now for the end, top it off with chopped mangoes and serve chilled.